Everyone, welcome to Dikshant classes. Today I am going to teach about the different modes of international business. First we discuss about licensing. In this mode of entry, the manufacturers of the home country leases the right of intellectual properties, technology, copyright, brand name, etc. to a manufacturer of a foreign country for predetermined fee. The manufacturer of the home country gives on rent the right of intellectual property, technology, copyrights, brand name, etc. to a manufacturer of foreign country for a predetermined fee. The manufacturer that leases is known as licensors, and the manufacturer of the country that get the license ID known as licensee. Licensing is a method in which firm give permission to another person to use its legally protected product or technology traded or copyrighted and to do business in a particular manner for an agreed period and within an agreed territory. It is very easy method to enter foreign market as less control and communication is involved. The financial risk is transferred to the licensee and there is a better utilization of resources. The property license may include patent technical know-how, licensing, trademark, copyright, specific business skills. Licensing is a permissions to copy the name, logo or trademark of a league, athlete, sports team, entertainer, film, television show or characters for a fee called loyalty. Licensor is a right holder of the name, logo or trademark. Licensee is the company paying for the permissions to use the name, logo or trademark. Well-known licenses include Nike, Reebok, Adidas, Sony, Nintendo and Sega. Licensing contract is divided into three main type of licensing. Product licensing is the idea of licensing is to agree on the uses or manufacturing or marketing right of the whole product or partial product or component of product improvement. Method licensing is the method licensing agreement turns into the right to use a certain manufacturing methods or part of it and also possibly the right to use the model protections. Method licensing is a method of licensing agreement turns in the right to use a certain manufacturing methods or part of it. Method licensing is a licensing agreement turn in the right to use a certain manufacturing method or part of it and also possible the right to use model protection. Next is representative license. Representative licensing is agreement usually done within two companies that are concentrated on project delivery. In this case, the delivery contract will be related for the example projecting systems, sharing manufacturing and marketing procedures. Licensing process. Licensor leases the right to use intellectual property. Licensee use the intellectual property to create product. Pay a royalty to the licensor. Earn new revenue with low investment. Next is franchising. In this mode, an independent firm called the franchisee does the business using the name of another company called the franchisor. In franchising, the franchisor has to pay a fee or fraction of profit to the franchisor. Franchisor provides a trademark, operating process, product reputation, marketing, HR, and operational support to the franchisee. The prime example of US franchisee companies are service industry and restaurants, particularly fast food concern, soft drink bottler, and home auto maintenance companies, McDonald's, KFC, Holiday Inn, Hilton. The franchisor generally has a large degree of control over the quality of product. Payment under franchisee agreements is that the franchisee pay an initial fee in proportion of its sale or revenue to the franchising firm. Franchisee is a form of licensing. The franchisor can exercise control over the franchisee as compared to that in licensing. In such agreement, the franchisee pay a fee to the franchisor. Franchisee agreement. Franchisee has to pay a fixed amount and royalty based on sale. Franchisee should agree to adhere to follow the franchisor agreement requirement. Franchisor should help the franchisee in establishing the manufacturing facility. Franchisor allow the franchisees has some degree of flexibility. McDonald's, Subway, KFC, etc. That's all today's class. If you have any doubt, any query, you can post in comment section. I will surely make videos. Thank you so much.